I'm going to show you why I am so impressed with the Pfaff Admire Air 5000 serger. If you ever have a thread break, from time to time that could happen, and I'm going to just simulate it by actually clipping one of the looper threads and even kind of pulling out. So there's no thread, maybe you've had something get caught and you kind of have to start over. So you do have the lower looper thread still in. Let's go ahead and line up the hand wheel on the side, engage the air tubes, and then flip the lever to the one you need to re-thread. Now, I'm showing you this because most sergers do not have this luxury. Yes, it's going to shoot it through. That's all cool with the air jet threading. By the way, that's awesome. But what I'm going to show you after that is the most important part. So I've pushed it down the hole. I've given it a little slack. We'll send it out the side. I see it sitting right here. Now, normally, I usually have to have people like clear out their needle threads, meaning they're still wrapped down below their lower looper. And if I don't, that can cause problems. On this serger, though, I have successfully 10 times out of 10 times re-threaded a looper and not touched any part of this serger. I don't know how it works, it just works. Put your foot in it, serge it off, and your threads are all connected into the serge seam. Again, I usually have to have people re-thread it in the right order or get everything all put back into position. Not with this serger. Thread it and serge. If it's a needle thread that's come out, thread the needle. If it's one of the other, if both the loopers have come out, thread them both, send them through, close the door, put fabric underneath your foot, and serge. Done. It is that easy to fix should you have a thread break.